John, what are you showing us today?
Barbecue ribs, mustard sauce,
And for, what table is this
this
for?
is for the soul food. Hot. Smell pretty good in my opinion. Slow roasted. They've been in there since about 9 o'clock this morning.
Fabulous. What else is going to be with the soul food?
Soul food, we're going to do hush puppies, deep fried cornmeal hush puppies with jalapenos in them, and Granny's fried corn, and pound cake is our last one.
And what would be a good beverage to go with soul food?
Soul food? I am not quite positive on that.
Water? Name something.
Water?
Coffee?
Yes. Coffee?
Soda?
Yes.
I mean, I don't mean to just...
No, I know.
What beverages are being served here?
Actually, today I am not certain, but I'd say lemonade would probably be best with this.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Much success with your event.
Thank you.